Hi guys, I'm back with the gel polish mini. So before we get started, I do have on my builder gel and I have a sick thumb. It cracked. I filed it down and tried to replace it, but I think I'm gonna have to cut it all the way down because it's cracked down to the actual nail bed. I was trying to shoe on at the store and it cracked, did a little too hard. But anyway, so I have on one coat of my UNT Peel Off base coat, and then I applied Modelones gel base and cured in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and I've had that for about 2 years now. So guys, I'm trying out Modelones Color Cube. Yes, everybody's been doing it, but I haven't tried it, so I wanted to try this. It's a cute little, kind of like a eyeshadow palette or makeup palette case. It was really cute, so I decided to purchase the Craziest Jelly Beans color. It came with 9 polishes in the little palette, and it came with a nail brush, which I thought was pretty awesome. So when you get it, it is sealed, and I'm just taking my tweezers and removing that paper that is on there. It's an adhesive, and I guess that's, to protect the polish. I think I threw it away. I can't remember if I put it back on the container or not. And so this is a Easter themed mani, so I do have another one coming up on that I'll upload on Sunday as well. I just realized I ran out of time, but these colors are nice and vibrant that I picked out, and I did purchase this off Amazon, which I think you can either go to the Modelones site or purchase it off Amazon. So look how nice those colors are. The brush was nice as well. I thought that was really nice the way that they did that. And again, other people have been doing this on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, wherever it is, you name it. So I'm just loosening up that brush. And I have also some Easter themed nail stickers, and I got these off of Amazon. They're a little juvenile, but you know I'm here for it. I don't care. And so I couldn't decide. I thought the colors on the Modelones the gel polishes went well with these stickers. So there's a lot of stickers that I did get off of Amazon. I think that, you know, you have children, or you know, you're like me, you don't care about putting extra stuff on your nails, you can use them over and over again because there's a lot of them on there. So as I mentioned before, I did purchase this off of Amazon on March the 17th, and I paid about $11.99 for those colors. So I went in and decided to use the green, and I did, well, try to do an ombre with the yellow color as well. I don't show all of my nails on camera, but they applied rather smoothly. But I did notice, and I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, that some of the colors were a tad streaky, but overall I liked it. And if you want a different color polishes for a great price, this is where you want to be. And I do not believe these are HEMA free, by the way. I said earlier they applied smoothly. They applied a bit streaky is what I meant to say. And so I don't know if I maybe be pressing down using the brush too hard on my nail. And I'm just going in with the cleanup brush and some alcohol and cleaning up excess gel polish before I cure in my LED lamp. And I am going to go ahead and give these a full 60-second cure. So here's where I'm attempting an ombre, and I tried to put a little bit of a color on the green on one side of the brush and the yellow, but it didn't work out well because I put it on the wrong side. So then I decided I wiped that off, which I should have wiped it off on a lint-free towel because I got a little bit black specks in the polish. But anyway, so I just go in and put green on one side, yellow on the other side, and just kind of blend that in together. I call these my 7-Up or my mellow yellow nails. After applying 2 coats and curing, I am going in and I wiped off the sticky layer. I probably should have left it on my nails, so I decided to use the green and yellow stickers on this particular sheet. So I was able to put 3 stickers on my nails. And again, it looks a little juvenile, but I'm here for it all. Y'all know I love some extra stuff. So I'm just putting this on my nails, pressing it down with the silicone end of my tweezers. I got those from Color My World Dips on Etsy. I love those things, and I'm sure other people sell them, but that's where I got mine from. And I love them, haven't had any issues with the tweezers. So I'm just pressing those in again with the silicone end, and then I'm going to apply Model 1's top coat and cure for 60 seconds, and then I will also apply some yellow rhinestones, a small yellow rhinestone at the cuticle area on each nail. So guys, as I mentioned, I went in and applied top coat and cured, and then so here's the finished look. You want to apply your favorite cuticle oil, so you guys will definitely have to let me know what you think. I don't know where lint came from, but like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free and I would appreciate it. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week or weekend, and I will see you on Sunday. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.